Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Flute Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is my 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I have some Anita's white metallic. I think it could be any metallic. This one I need to use up especially, if there's anything in there at all. Okay. The dregs, the literal dregs. I'll have to do something with that later. I'm going to take it away from here now. And what am I going to do? I'm going to use some black and make gray and make a mess if I have to. That should be Australian Floetrol. And now I have a start. It's an interesting start, I guess. And I'm just going to keep playing with my black until I figure out what I want to do. This is hypothetically for a friend of mine. Probably doesn't watch my videos, actually. I've got that one little nice area of cells. And I've got another bottle of Anita's white metallic, so I'm not going to worry about that. And I could be using my rubber brushes. But I'm quite used to my spatula. So I thought I might start there. I don't really care if I get smudges or smears, because I intend on doing mark making over it, and I don't even know for 100% if it's going to stay black and white. And I'm definitely thinking of mark making. And my Anita's white metallic has decided to tell me that it is somewhat plugged. The one that I have left. Which means I either take a break, clean out the tip, or I try and be fast. Let's see what I can get out now. I might have got lucky. I think I did. Not sure where to go. But I'm still having fun with everything. I'm going to try some different size brushes. I'm going to try some Meeden Black, because it used to sell. I kind of imagine it might still do so. But I don't really care if it doesn't. definitely like smears. I'm not sure I've done a black and white sort of geometric, which is what I'm calling it right now. Just wandering around making marks. And at a certain point in time I can scrape through happily. And go a ways depending on how much paint I pick up. I can also drop some little marks in places. That might be kind of fun. Just keep stealing paint, putting it wherever I want. It might become clear that I want this really simple. I'm liking my little bits of cells. There's nothing precious about the paint I'm dipping into, so I'm not really worried about it. Now where do I want to go? I have got some extra black here. Ooh, that was cool. I want to straighten that up a little bit. I've still got some Anita's, excuse me, I've still got some Vivid Intense White. And texture tools. I haven't lost my desire to play yet either. So this might be really fast. In which case I'll just do another one for the fun of it. It seems to have a certain amount of balance. I'm going to use a little tiny brush. Just some paint. See how far I can drag that down. What I really like to do with these is scrape. And then apply. But what I was totally thinking was that I was going to use my residuals and add a few little stripes. I never really added any of the Vivid Intense White I was threatening. I only have a few cells, but I really like the cells I've got. Just going to use a little tiny bit of black right there. I could do dots, I could do checks. I'm still still in contemplation of using one of my tools. I've got a little tiny plastic spatula head that I notched myself. That didn't really work out. There we go. It's a little better. Just clean off my spatula. I'm probably going to black the edges on this no matter what. Well, for now, it seems like I'm pretty happy with what I've got. Although the temptation to keep playing is really there. But I'm just going to do another one. I've got a box there and I want to finish that mark. I wasn't sure I wanted to do that, but I like it. I just don't know if I need it everywhere or just there. I guess we're going for everywhere because it's going to be a black edge anyway. And this way I can use up the paint on my tools before I have to wipe them off and clean them up. Let's see if there's any more. Yes, there's plenty more. Plenty, plenty. Black and white geometric with cells. Do I want to do anything else? Oh, I don't know. You know what? I do. Let's steal a little paint. Steal a little more paint. Now, am I going to be happy with that, or do I need to do more? I know, every time I say I'm done, you cannot trust me. It's all about the inspiration. And in this case, it's nice to be able to lead the eye around from one space to another. And as I go along, things appeal to me. But I had a certain simple concept going, and I'm not sure I've kept that simple concept going, but I'm still not unhappy with my result. It was supposed to be playtime, so that's that. And I don't need to shimmer that at you, but I do need to turn it sideways. It goes a bunch of different directions. Where's that scraping tool? Yeah, I wanted that. And that. The question is when to stop. And how crooked do you mind things being? I'm done. I don't know if I can zoom in on that or not. I can definitely turn out one light. There we go. Happy holidays. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.